name is Jovel Harabata, and you're a registered pharmacist here in the Philippines. And I'm here to share with you something truly unique with you. So, introducing glutathione direct film 3 times formulated by Dr. Esther, one of Korea's most trusted doctors, and it is the first film type glutathione made popular in Korea and now available here in the Philippines. Ang glutathione ester ay isang advanced form ng glutathione na may mas mabilis na absorption, and ang film type formula nito ay direktang natutunaw sa iyong bibig. As a pharmacist, I highly recommend this product for anyone looking to boost their health and overall wellness. Kaya mag-glow na, mag-advance na, at maging the best version of yourself with this glutathione ester direct film 3 times. Subukan at maramdaman ang difference.